No. Ndị ebe obibi kpatabata ndị ụzọ ọzọ na-akpata
These are the titled men in Igbo land. You can admire their capping. The cap shows that they stand for truth all their lives. Before you are capped in Igbo land, you must have lived a life of honesty. I will swear that you tell the truth from that day till you die. Then a carving is made on your mouth and your tongue. And any day you die. This is the highest title in our land. There are people who local decisions. What happens to people now? Yeah, that's a greeting from the traditional